Welcome back everyone. You may be in a position where your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC at this point may visibly show that you're connected to Wi-Fi, but it's not getting any input. It may even say connected but no internet, different things like that. Now the main reason why this may happen is sometimes you're connected to a specific network that may be super slow. So the first thing I'd recommend you to actually look at is to take your PC and actually go ahead and try connecting to another network. Now let's say you connect to another network and you're still getting that same issue. Sometimes your PC may actually end up giving you that error, which happens, sometimes. And sometimes you may just have to wait until that little prompt goes away. It's very common that that little prompt may come up and then it'll go away within a couple of minutes. And that is maybe all you have to do. So at that point, what I would recommend doing is just taking your PC and just letting it just connect to the network, seeing if you're able to open up the internet browser and stuff, and you should be good to go for the most part. Now, for some reason that doesn't work or you're running into some issues even then, I would recommend restarting your PC. So all you have to do is go into your start bar, click restart, or you can hold down that power button on your PC and wait until your specific computer restarts itself. And then what I would recommend doing is connecting to the same network again and to see if you're still getting that error. If you're still getting that prompt but the internet is working fine, again, sometimes these errors pop up, you just kind of have to wait it out. But if that prompt comes up and your internet is still not working, what I would recommend doing is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi with another device. So if your PC is not connecting to the Wi-Fi network, but you can see that your iPhone is also not connecting to your Wi-Fi network, or your Android or your tablet's not connecting to Wi-Fi either, you may have a Wi-Fi issue. So you may have to go and contact your router provider. You may have to restart that router as well a couple of times to fix that issue. And these are the main things you can do at that point. Now, it's not a guarantee that'll fix it, but that is another way. If all your other devices are not connected to the Wi-Fi either, you may have to go ahead and fix that router itself. Now, if that router is working and everything else seems to be working except your PC, you may need to go ahead and actually update it. So if you can, connect your PC to, the Ethernet temporarily, or if you can move your PC to a better Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet, whatever it is, then you may have to actually update your PC in order to fix these issues. So go into your settings of your PC, see if there's an update panel, and you may want to update your PC at that point. So that's pretty much it. Those are the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.